So I decided to try a simple habit for 30 days, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds before bed, every night, no exceptions. Honestly, I wasn't expecting anything dramatic. I just wanted to sleep better, feel lighter, and maybe stop waking up exhausted or, bloated. But what actually happened over those 30 days really surprised me. This tiny seed, often ignored in the back of our pantry, turned out to be one of the most powerful foods I've ever tried. And in this video, I'll break down exactly what changed, what didn't, and how chia seeds quietly reshaped how my body felt, both day and night. Let's start with the biggest change: sleep. Before this, I'd fall asleep scrolling on my phone, wake up multiple times, and usually roll out of bed groggy and tired. By the end of week 1, I noticed I was falling asleep faster. By week 2, I was staying asleep longer. And by the end of 30 days, I was waking up refreshed, without needing 3 alarms and 2 cups of coffee. Why? Well, chia seeds are rich in tryptophan and magnesium. Tryptophan helps produce serotonin and melatonin. Those are 2 hormones that are really essential for sleep and mood balance. Magnesium, on the other hand, helps relax the nervous system, reduce cortisol, which is your stress hormone, and calm the body. Together, these compounds created a kind of quiet, internal bedtime routine. No sedatives, no sleep aids, just deeper, natural rest. Now, let's talk gut health. Before the 30 days, bloating was a daily issue, especially at night or after dinner. Some days I felt like I was carrying a brick in my stomach. Chia seeds changed that. Gradually, then completely. Because they're high in soluble fiber, chia seeds expand in water and form a gel-like substance. This helps trap waste, move it through the intestines, and promote smoother, more regular digestion. By the second week, I was waking up lighter. No bloating, no constipation, and no sluggish gut. It felt like my digestive system finally had a rhythm. Plus, chia seeds act as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut microbiome. The result? Better nutrient absorption and improved mood and energy. I didn't expect this one. Eating chia seeds before bed significantly reduced my evening cravings. You know that feeling when it's 9 p.m. and suddenly you want something sweet or salty, even though you're not really hungry? Chia fixed that. Thanks to their fiber and protein content, they digest slowly and keep you full longer. They also help stabilize blood sugar levels overnight, which meant I didn't wake up ravenous or desperate for carbs. It was easier to fast in the morning, focus during the day, and resist mindless snacking altogether. This wasn't willpower, it was chemistry. About halfway through the month, I started noticing something subtle. My skin looked less puffy, my eyes weren't as dark or tired, and the occasional breakouts I was getting started to disappear. Turns out, hydration plus anti-inflammatory nutrients can work magic overnight. Chia seeds are full of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation from the inside out. They also hold water, up to 12 times their weight, so when consumed at night, they slowly release hydration into your system while you sleep. That means better moisture balance, detoxification, and cellular repair, all while your body is resting. Before chia, my mornings looked like this: wake up tired, drag myself to the kitchen, coffee, maybe toast, still tired, repeat. But something changed in the second half of the 30 days. I was waking up with more energy. My brain felt sharper. I didn't need coffee to function. I just wanted it. Why? Because chia seeds help regulate blood sugar overnight. No more insulin crashes, no glucose roller coaster, and no sudden energy dips. My body wasn't running on fumes, it was running on steady fuel, all from a tablespoon of soaked seeds. Let me be honest, I wasn't trying to lose weight. But over the 30 days, I did drop a couple of pounds, without changing anything else. I wasn't eating less. I wasn't working out more. I was simply sleeping better, digesting better, and not craving junk food at night. That's the thing about chia, it's not a fat burner. It doesn't melt away pounds, but it does help create the conditions where your body can naturally rebalance. If weight loss is a goal, this is one of the most effortless habits to build. So, I kept it really simple. For the first option, you can make chia water. Just take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and add it to 1 cup of water. Let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then give it a good stir. Drink it before bed. The second option is chia yogurt. Just stir chia seeds into some unsweetened Greek yogurt. You can add a little cinnamon or a few berries if you like, totally up to you. Let it sit for at least 10 minutes before eating. And for the third option, try warm chia milk. Soak chia seeds in warm almond milk and maybe add some honey, turmeric, or nutmeg for extra flavor. Drink it slowly, kind of like a nightcap. The key though is to soak them. Dry chia seeds can actually expand in your throat and cause discomfort, so always give them time to absorb liquid before eating. And honestly, I always drank water alongside to stay hydrated. To keep it honest, not everything was life-changing. I didn't gain six-pack abs, I didn't stop aging, and for the first 3 or 4 nights, I felt almost no difference. This is a cumulative habit. It works gently, not instantly. But by the second week, my body started to trust the rhythm. And by the end of 30 days, I knew this habit was staying. If you're looking for a magic pill, chia seeds aren't it. But if you want better sleep, smoother digestion, fewer cravings, more balanced energy, and subtle, real improvement to how your body feels, then yes, this one habit might be exactly what you need. All it takes is a spoon, a glass of water, and a few minutes before bed. No diets, no cleanses, no willpower, just seeds and sleep. If you're going to try chia seeds at night, let me know in the comments, or if you're already doing it, tell me what you've noticed. And if you like real natural health tips that work with your body, not against it, don't forget to subscribe for more. We've got some powerful routines coming up next. Sleep well tonight, and don't forget your seeds.